Imagine waking up on a Tuesday morning, not to a loud alarm, but to the sound of ocean waves. This isn't a dream. It's the FIRE movement. Financial independence, retire early. Today, thousands of people are quitting their 9-to-5 jobs in their 30s and 40s. But how? It's not magic. It's a system. The secret lies in the 4% rule. If you can save 25 times your annual expenses and invest it wisely in the stock market or real estate, you can live off the returns forever. It sounds impossible, right? But by cutting unnecessary costs and building multiple income streams, you can buy back your time. Imagine having the freedom to travel, spend time with family, or follow your passion without worrying about a paycheck. The road to retirement isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and invest. Are you ready to escape the rat race? Subscribe to Wealth Wisdom AI and let's build your freedom together.